say goodbye, Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Hello, Tennessee. Volunteer state. Whatever that means. Shut up. Bye, Alabama. Sister. Hello, Tennessee. Haiti. Tennessee. Another state east of the Mississippi that I'm not supposed to be in. Thank you, company. Some little town in Tennessee. Who cares? I'm not familiar with the area, but I'm pretty sure this might be shorter mileage wise, but I'm pretty sure if I stuck to highways and freeways, it'd be faster time wise. So Tennessee's got shitty roads, fuckers who like to drive slow. I really hate the southeast states. They shut up. Fuckload of people just want to drive 30 miles per hour fucking everywhere. Worse than California, Oregon. The terminal in Tennessee, I-40 in Tennessee. Shit, it's noon on a Sunday. Nashville traffic. I don't like the Southeast, man. I shouldn't be in Tennessee. It's like an accident over there. Stuff. Nashville area, kinda south of it. Tennessee. Small little truck stop. Exit 6 on the 65 in Tennessee. Tiny little truck stop. Oh yuck, way station's open. My pre-pass doesn't work. Thanks, company. This is 30 miles outside of Nashville. So, it's gonna be a long day, I guess. Bye, Bama. Fuck you, Tennessee. Tennessee. You know, I'm not a fan of Tennessee, to be quite honest with you. Tennessee. This is Gallatin, Tennessee. You're getting loaded for 5 fucking hours, man. Tennessee. Hello, Kentucky.
Kentucky.